Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the JavaScript and CSS tips and tricks tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to hide a drop-down list after selecting an item from the drop-down using a JavaScript. So let's start the tutorial. And here we got the final output of our application, hide the drop-down list after selecting the item. So these are the items I have created. When I click black and before display the result or hide the drop-down list, I want to confirm the message. You have selected black. Do you want to continue? If I click OK, notice the drop-down list is disappeared. Now if I click cancel, if I select green, now here you have selected green. Do you want to continue? No. I want to select another item from the drop down. See, still drop down list is there. If I select blue, yes, blue, I want to confirm. Click OK. See here we got blue. For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder, which is the JavaScript-tutorials. And here it is. Our folder is added to the VS Explorer. Let me expand this folder. Now inside this folder, I am adding hide drop-down list after selecting after select.html, and here we got the newly created HTML file. Now let's close the minimize Explorer, as well as I'm closing the welcome page. Let's write the coding part now. First, let's add the doc type. I'm closing the HTML element. Now I'm adding the header section. Below the header section, I'm adding the body tag. Now inside this body, I'm adding center element. Let's add h1. Hide the drop down list DDL after selecting the item. Horizontal line. After that, I am adding one select element. Let's add the select ID. I am adding myDropdown. Let's add the myDropdown onchange event. Once we select one item from this drop down, I want to hide this drop down. So for that, I require the onchange event show selected value, which is a JavaScript function name. Now we'll add option value is equals to, let's add the car colors name red. Copy this one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. 5 options I have added. The second option is the blue. This one is the blue, green. This is the green, pink. Let's add the pink, and the last one I'm adding black. That's it. We have done the coding drop down list select option element. Now after that, I'm adding another div element, which is to display the selected value. ID is equals to selected value. That's it. Now let's write the JavaScript functionality. In the header section, I am adding script function. The function name is a showSelectedValue. Let's copy this one and paste here showSelectedValue. Then variable drop down. In this drop down, document.getElement by ID between single quotes. I'm adding my drop down. So I need to hide this drop down after we selecting the element variable. Now that selected element, I want to display the selected value. So select selected value. This is a variable I'm adding here. Document.getElement by ID. ID is, this one is selected value. Copy this one and paste here. Here instead of div you can add label also. Variable selected index. So we have more than one items in this drop down list. So I'm selecting the index. Drop down. This drop down. This is the drop down. Drop down. Dot selected index. Selected index variable selected option. Selected option. Let's add the variable option is equals to drop down dot options. Options, which is a select index. This variable here, selected index dot text. Then let's write the coding part. Drop down dot style dot display style dot display is equals to none. Selected value dot style dot display is equals to block. So block means it will display. Block. Now what we have, text content also we require. Selected value dot text content is equals to, now here I want to display the selected text value in the div tag. So selected value is plus selected option. This option I am adding here. Selected option. Now here I want to add one simple functionality. Before displaying the selected drop down list, I want to display the user an alert message. So variable confirm, let's add this confirmed message. Confirmed is equals to confirm method which displays the you have selected plus selected option plus do you want to continue? Do you want to continue? Which displays yes or no, the button controls. If not confirmed, then drop down dot style dot display is equals to block. I want to display. If not confirmed, selected value dot style dot display is equals to none. Display none. Between double quotes I am adding none. Now the last step, drop down dot selected index is equals to 0. That's it. We have done the complete coding part of the functionality. Now that's it. Show selected event on change event. Let's save this file. We'll check the final output of our application. Save. To check the final output of our application, we need to open File Explorer. The folder I have created in the E drive, the folder name is a JavaScript tutorials. In this folder, my file name is a Hide Dropdown List After Select. Let's open that one. And here we got the final output of our application, hide the drop-down list after selecting the item. See, these are the items I have created. When I click black and before display the result or hide the drop-down list, I want to confirm the message. You have selected black. Do you want to continue? If I click OK, notice the drop-down list is disappeared. Now, if I click cancel, if I select green, now here you have selected green. Do you want to continue? No. I want to select another item from the drop down. See, still drop down list is there. If I select blue, yes, blue, I want to confirm. Click OK. See, here we got blue and the drop down list is hidden. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained hide the drop down list after selecting the item. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.